Hi students, in previous class we have discussed that what is the difference of sets and complement of a set and the properties of difference of sets, complement of sets and some Venn diagram we have seen. Now today in this session we will see the Venn diagrams for different relations between sets and we will see what is the applications on cardinal number of sets. So, first we will recall the Venn diagrams for sets. So, here what is the Venn diagram of A union B? If A comma B are any sets, then A union B, what is a Venn diagram? It is nothing but the relation between the sets. So, the relation between the sets represented by means of diagrams. In generally we are using rectangles and circles. Rectangles used for represent the universal set and circles are used for representing subsets of the universal set. So, here we require to draw Venn diagram for A union B. So, A union B, let us consider A and B. Here A union B. So, this is universal set represented by mu and this is set A and this is set B, and here I am taking A union B in the case of A comma B are non-disjoint sets, means intersecting sets. Suppose if A intersection B is not equal to 5, then the two sets will be overlapping. So, this is the case. In this case, what is A union B? So, A union B means set A union set B. So, we will shade set A and set B together. This is A union B. So, therefore, here the shaded part, this is called A union B. Suppose if A comma B are disjoint sets, A union B, this is the case of when A intersection B is not equal to 5, A intersection B is equal to 5, then two sets are disjoint sets. So, there is no overlapping of the circles A, B. Then what is A union B? Here rectangle represents universal set. A union B means the in this case also shaded portion A and B. So, this is A union B. Next one, A intersection B. A intersection B means here A is a set and B is another set. If A comma B are any two sets and A intersection B is not equal to 5, then A and B have common region. So, here what is the common region for both A and B? This is the common region. So, this shaded portion represents A intersection B. Suppose if A and B are disjoint sets, means is equal to 5, there is no common region. So, in that case there is no shaded portion, so no need to draw the Venn diagrams, no common region in that case. So, this is A intersection B. Now, what is the Venn diagram for difference of any two sets? A minus B. Set A and set B. Here what is A minus B? The set of all elements only in A, not in B. It means that the elements which are belonging to only A, but does not belonging to the common region of A and B. Here what is the common region? This is the common region. So, this is A intersection B. So, we exclude this region and then we can shade the remaining region of set A. Remaining region of set A. So, this is A minus B. So, therefore, A minus B Venn diagram is the part of region A which does not include the common region. And what is B minus A? Set A and set B, B minus A. So, here A, B and this is universal set. B minus A means the elements only in B which does not belonging to A, means we have to shade the region of B excluding the common region. So, by excluding this common region we will shade this region. So, here this region represents B minus A, here this represents A minus B. So, this is the case when A and B have some common elements, means A intersection B is not equal to phi. Suppose if A intersection B is equal to phi, means there is no common element for set A and set B, then A minus B is equal to complete set A and B minus A is equal to the complete set B, means we will shade complete A and we will shade complete B when the case of A comma B are disjoint sets. Now, what is the Venn diagram for complement of a set? A complement Venn diagram. What is A complement? It is nothing but universal set minus A, mu minus A. What is mu minus A? The elements only in universal set which does not belongs to set A, means here consider the universal set by taking rectangle and consider the set A. Now, the region which belongs to only universal set which does not belongs to set A, but here the region of set A is also included in this rectangular region. Now, we require to consider only the region which belongs to only universal set, but it does not belong to the region A. So, we exclude the region A and we can shade the remaining region. So, this represents A complement, mu minus A. Now, what is A complement whole complement? A complement whole complement. A complement means this region, whole complement means mu minus A dash, means the region which is belonging to only the universal set which does not belongs to A complement, means we have to exclude this region and we will write the region of universal set rectangular region which does not belongs to this shaded region, means this region. So, therefore, here A complement whole complement is equal to the region of A, this is the region, means here what is this region? A complement region, and what is this A? Now, we require to find out A complement whole complement. A complement whole complement means we have to exclude this region from the total region. Then we exclude this outside region from the total rectangular region, we have only the A region. So, therefore, A complement whole complement is nothing but set A. So, this is the complement of any two sets. Suppose if we will take any three sets, then what is A union B intersection C Venn diagrams for? Now, we will see some more Venn diagrams for A union B intersection C, A union A intersection B union C we will consider. So, first one A union B intersection C. Here we will consider the universal set, since all the sets are considered under consideration of a universal set. So, always we should draw, whether it is given or it does not given, we should draw universal set by taking rectangular region. Then here the sets, given sets are the subsets of the universal set. So, therefore, A, B, C are included in this rectangular region. Suppose in the case A, B, C have some more common elements. So, they have common elements means we can consider the overlapping circles A, B, C. This is A, this is B and this is C. Now, we require to consider A union B intersection C. So, first we consider B intersection C. What is B intersection C? Common region of set B and set C. So, here this is set B and this is set C. The common region is this one. Now, A union B intersection C. Now, we have to add the region belonging to set A to this region. Then so, therefore, this represents A union B intersection C. Suppose what is A intersection B intersection C? Set A, set B, set C. A, B, C. First B intersection C, this is the common region. Then A intersection B intersection C. So, the region which is common to set A and this B intersection C. So, here set A and B intersection C, the common region is this small part. So, therefore, this is A intersection B intersection C. Now, we will draw Venn diagram for A intersection B union C. So, consider circles A, B, C, A, B, C, and here first we have to consider B union C. B union C means the region which is belonging to either B or C, means the total region of B and C. So, this is B and C region. Now, we require to consider A intersection B union C. It means that the region which is common to both A and B union C. So, what is the region common to A and B union C? This is the region. So, this double lined region. This is A intersection B union C. Now, students, we will see some more Venn diagrams. Now, students, we will see how we draw the Venn diagrams for any 2 or 3 sets in different cases. So, here what is the Venn diagram of A intersection B minus A complement? So, here in this case first we have to consider B minus A complement. What is B minus A complement? B minus A complement is equal to universal set minus B minus A. Here this is the region A minus B and this is the region B minus A and this is common region of A and B, A intersection B. We have to shade B minus A whole complement, means mu minus B minus A. So, from the universal set region, we have to exclude the region which is belonging to B minus A, means exclude this small region, then we can shade remaining all regions. So, this is B minus A whole complement, means the region which is belonging to the universal set which does not belongs to B minus A, only B. Now, we require to construct the diagram for A intersection B minus A whole complement, means the common region which is belonging to A and B. What is the region of A? This is the region of A. So, shade set A. Now, we require to consider the region which is common to set A and B minus A whole complement. So, here what is the region which is common? So, double lines region. This double lines region is the common region for both B minus A complement and A. So, therefore, this is A intersection B minus A complement. So, this is the region, required region is this one. So, simply we can remove these single lines and whatever the region which is belonging to set A is A intersection B minus A whole complement. So, therefore, A intersection B minus A whole complement is nothing but A. Next, A union B intersection A whole complement. So, first we have to consider B intersection A whole complement. B intersection A intersection B, both are same. So, A intersection B whole complement is equal to universal set minus A intersection B. Means we have to eliminate the region belonging to both A and B, then we can shade remaining the region of universal set. So, excluding this region, we have to shade the total region. So, this is the region which is belonging to mu minus A intersection B. So, excluding this A intersection B, we will shade the total region. Now, here what we required? A union B intersection A dash, means we have to join the set A also. Here what is set A? This is set A. We will join the region A also. Now, here what we required? A union means the region belonging to either A or which is belonging to B intersection A complement. So, the region belonging to A or the region belonging to B intersection A complement. B intersection A complement means this total region. So, we consider this region or this total region, means it is nothing but universal set. So, therefore, mu minus A intersection B. So, therefore, A union B intersection A whole complement, it is nothing but the total universal set. See, when you observe here, we does not require the common region. Here we required the region either belonging to A or which is belonging to B intersection A whole complement. So, therefore, both region we should consider. So, when we consider set A, it also includes the region which is belonging to both A and B. So, therefore, by shading the region, we get total rectangular region will be shaded. So, therefore, A union B intersection A whole complement is nothing but universal set. Now, here in this case, A intersection B union C whole complement. So, what is B union C whole complement? B union C whole complement is equal to universal set minus B union C. Means we have to exclude the region which is belonging to either B or C from the universal set region. So, this is the universal set region. From this we will exclude these two regions. Then remaining region is so we exclude the region belonging to either B or the region belonging to C from the region of the universal set. So, this is B union C whole complement. Now, we required the common region of A intersection. Intersection represents a common region. The common region of both A and B union C whole complement. So, what is the set A? So, this is set A. Now, what is the common region? See, this is the common region. So, this is common region, means double lines region. So, for our understanding, here I am shade this common region by dots. So, here the dotted region is A intersection B union C whole complement. So, this is the region only belonging to set A. This is the region only belonging to set A, but it does not belongs to B, it does not belongs to C. This is only belonging to A. So, how we can define this? This is nothing but A minus B union C. So, A intersection B union C whole complement region. Now, A minus B union C. What is A minus B union C? So, first we will consider B union C. So, this is the region B union C. B union C means the region either belonging to B or belonging to C will be shade in B union C. Now, here A minus B union C means we have to eliminate the region B union C which is belonging to both B union C from set A. Here what is set A? This one. So, we have to consider the region only belonging to A, but it does not belonging to B union C. So, here this is the region which is belonging to B union C. Therefore, now what is the region only belonging to A? This is the region. See, here from these two are same. So, therefore, here this dotted region is A minus B union C. So, therefore, from third and fourth Venn diagrams, we conclude that A intersection B union C complement is equal to A minus B union C. A intersection B union C whole complement, A minus B union C, both represents the same shaded portion. Now, we will go for next one. A complement intersection B complement. What is A complement? The region belonging to the universal set which does not belongs to set A. Means A complement means here this is the region for A complement. Excluding A, we will shade the region. remaining all area. So, this is the region A complement, the universal set, the region belonging to universal set which does not belongs to set A. And what is B complement? The region belonging to universal set which does not belongs to A, means exclude this region and we can shade the universal set by drawing vertical lines to show difference between these two. So, here excluding B, means here from these two what is the common region? This double line region, means simply we can draw like this also. So, from this what we observed, the region which does not belongs to A and which does not belongs to B, remaining region. A complement intersection B complement. So, here this is set A and this is set B, means the region belonging to universal set which does not belongs to set A and does not belongs to set B. So, we can draw like this or like this. So, simply you can write like this. Next, what is A delta B? A delta B is nothing but the symmetric difference of two sets. What is the symmetric difference of two sets? It is nothing but the union of A minus B and B minus A, and it can also be denoted as A union B minus A intersection B, means the region which is belonging to A union B which does not include the common region of A and B. So, here first I am considering the case when A minus B union B minus A. A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A, means the region which is belonging to A minus B or the region which belongs to B minus A. What is the region belongs to A minus B? The elements only in A but not in B, means this is the region. This is A minus B. Already in earlier classes we have drawn A minus B and B minus A. So, here this is A minus B, A minus B, and what is B minus A? The region belonging to only B, not belongs to A, means this is the region. So, this is the region. Now, A minus B union B minus A means either belonging to A minus B or B minus A, means these two combinedly taken as A delta B. So, this shaded region A delta B. Now, we will draw A delta B for A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B, means from the region of A union B we have to exclude the region belonging to A intersection B, means the common region of A and B will be excluded from the region belonging to A or B. So, what is the region belonging to either A or B? This is the region belonging to A or B. This is the region belonging to A or B. Now, we have to exclude, we have to eliminate the region belonging to both A and B, means we have to eliminate the common region of A intersection B. Here, what is the common region of A intersection B? This is. means from this shaded portion we have to exclude this region. Then the region which will be remains will gives A delta B. So, this shaded portion, now this shaded portion represents A delta B, which is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So, students, so in this way we have to draw the Venn diagrams for the given sets. Now, students, we will learn what are the important results on cardinal numbers. So, what is the cardinal number of a set? The set number of elements present in a set is called cardinal number of a set. Now, we will see how many elements a set A union B has, how many elements set A intersection B has, and how many number of elements in A minus B, how many number of elements will be present in B minus A. So, we will see all these results on cardinal numbers. So, the first one is, what is if A intersection B is not equal to 5, where A comma B are any two sets, two non-empty sets, any two non-empty sets, then what is n of A union B? What is n of A union B? N of A union B means number of elements in either A or B. So, Venn diagram, diagrammatically we will take this. By Venn diagrams, this is set A and this is set B. Here this is called A minus B, this region, and this region is B minus A, and this is the common region A intersection B. Now, number of elements in A union B means the elements which are belonging to either A or which are belonging to either B. So, here n of A union B is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B plus number of elements in B minus A. Here A union B is nothing but A minus B and A intersection B and B minus A. So, therefore, number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B plus number of elements in B minus A. So, how we will find out number of elements in A minus B? So, what is A minus B? The set of elements only belonging to A but does not belongs to B. What is A minus B? This is A minus B. This is A minus B. Means the elements only in A but does not belongs to B. Means this is nothing but n of A minus n of A intersection B. So, number of elements in A minus B, number of elements in A minus B is equal to total number of elements which are belonging to A minus number of elements which are common to both A and B. So, therefore, here n of A minus B, now from this we can write n of A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. So, this is equal to n of A minus B, number of elements in A minus B is equal to total number of elements present in set A minus number of elements which are common to both A and B. So, this is equal to this one plus n of A intersection B plus What is n of b minus a? Number of elements only belonging to set B. Number of elements only belonging to set B is equal to total number of elements which are belonging to B minus the number of elements which are common to both A and B. So, therefore, here n of b minus a is equal to total number of elements in B minus the number of elements which are belonging to both A and B. So, from this n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection B both are get cancelled. So, we have n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So, therefore, number of elements in A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B when A intersection B is not equal to 5. If A and B have some common elements, then this is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Suppose if A intersection B is equal to 5, if A intersection B is equal to 5, if A and B are any two disjoint sets, then there is no common elements in A and B. So, A intersection B 5. A intersection B 5 means it is nothing but number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 0. Then in this case n of A union B is equal to, what is the formula for n of A union B? N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. When A and B are disjoint sets, then number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 0. By replacing n of A intersection B 0, we have n of A plus n of B minus 0. So, therefore, n of A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B if A intersection B is equal to 5. Means if A comma B have no common elements, then number of elements either belonging to A or belonging to B is equal to number of elements belonging to A plus number of elements belonging to B. Now, second result. What is n of A union B union C? N of A union B union C. Number of elements present in A, number of elements present in B, number of elements or number of elements present in C. See, here again we can draw the Venn diagrams. So, by taking Venn diagrams we can easily understand. So, here this is set A and this is set B and set C. But here we have three sets A, B, C. So, here we apply the same condition for, we will take this as one unit and we can consider these two as one unit. Then by applying what is n of A union B union C? N of A plus n of B union C minus n of number of elements in A intersection B union C. So, what is n of A union B? N of A plus n of B minus n of means number of elements in A intersection B union C. So, this is equal to n of A plus, again here we have, this is in the form of number of elements in B union C. Number of elements in B union C, number of elements in union of any two sets is equal to number of elements in first set plus number of elements in second set minus number of elements which are common to both the sets. So, B intersection C minus of n of A intersection B union C. What is the expanded form of A intersection B union C? This is distributive intersection over union. So, this is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So, therefore, n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus, here again apply n of A union B formula. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus of n of A intersection B. So, here we can apply the formula for this value. So, this is equal to minus of n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection C minus n of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. By simplify this value, we have n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus, by multiply with minus. When we remove the brackets, the signs of the interior values will be changes. So, therefore, n of A intersection B minus, this will becomes minus n of A intersection C minus into minus plus n of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. It is nothing but n of A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B, the common region for A and B and common region for A and C. What is the common region for A and B? This is the common region. And what is the common region for A and C? This is. Then here we required the common region for A intersection B and A intersection C. So, the common region for these two is nothing but this region. So, this is nothing but common region for both common region for A, B, C. So, therefore, this is equal to n of A intersection B intersection C. Therefore, n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now, we will see what is the number of elements in A minus B. So, for a set, this is A and this is B. What is A minus B? The elements belonging to only A does not belong to B. So, n of A minus B is equal to n of A. So, from set A elements, we have to exclude the common elements minus n of A intersection B. So, only the elements of A which does not belongs to A union B, or we can also written as, so from the A union B means elements in A and elements in B. If we can exclude the elements of B, number of elements in A union B minus n of B. This is also gives number of elements in A minus B, means what is A union B? Total elements. From these total elements, if we can exclude B, then we left with only elements of A. Now, what is number of elements in B minus A? This is the same as to above. So, n of B minus number of elements in A intersection B, or we can also write number of elements in A union B minus n of A. Next, what is the number of elements in A delta B? A delta B, the symmetric difference of two sets is A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. So, based on this, the number of elements in A delta B is equal to, union means plus. So, n of A minus B plus n of B minus A means number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in B minus A is equal to number of elements in symmetric difference of A and B, or we can also write it as number of elements in A union B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So, number of elements in A union B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So, this represents A union B minus A intersection A delta B, n of A union B minus n of A intersection B. Now, what is the number of elements in complement of a set? N of A complement. A complement is nothing but mu minus A. So, therefore, number of elements in A complement is equal to n of mu minus n of A. Means mu complement means the elements which are belonging to only the universal set which does not belongs to A. So, diagrammatically this is A complement means this is the region. So, from all the elements of universal set we can exclude the elements of A, then it gives A complement. This is A. So, n of mu minus n of A is equal to n of A complement. Now, what is number of elements in A complement union B complement? Here by De Morgan laws, we know that A complement union B complement is equal to, this is nothing but A intersection B whole complement. So, therefore, this is equal to number of elements in A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So, this is nothing but number of elements of, here what is A intersection B whole complement? Mu minus A intersection B. So, therefore, this is equal to n of mu minus n of A intersection B. So, therefore, number of elements in A complement union B complement is equal to total number of elements of the universal set minus number of elements which are common to both set A and set B gives the number of elements which are belonging to either A complement or number of elements which are belonging to B complement. Similarly, here number of elements in A complement intersection B complement. So, number of elements in A complement intersection B complement is equal to, this is nothing but A union B whole complement. This is equal to number of elements of mu minus A union B whole complement is equal to mu minus A union B. So, therefore, number of elements in A complement union intersection B complement is equal to number of elements in universal set minus number of elements which are either in set A or either in set B, means number of elements in A union B. Next one, suppose if n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, where A comma B are any two sets, then what is the relation of number of elements in A union B and P comma Q? Here the number of elements in A union B are less than or equal to sum of the elements of A and B, and which are greater than or equal to maximum of P comma Q. Means the number of elements which are belonging to A union B is lies between maximum of number of elements in A comma number of elements in B and less than or equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. So, how we can write? This is also can be written as maximum of number of elements in A comma number of elements in B, which is less than or equal to n of A union B less than or equal to n of A plus n of B. Number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. And what is the minimum value? And 0, what is the number of elements in A intersection B? And number of elements in A intersection B lies between 0 and minimum of number of elements in A comma number of elements in B, that is minimum of P comma Q. So, the number of elements in A union B lies between maximum of number of elements in A comma B and the sum of elements in A and B, but the number of elements in A intersection B lies between 0 and minimum of n of A and n of B. Next, number of elements in exactly one of the sets A, B, C means the elements exactly belonging to only A, only B, only C. How many elements are there? So, only A we required, means we have to exclude the elements which are common to both A and B, and the elements which are common to both A and C we have to exclude from this. Similarly, for B means here only in A, n of A is equal to only in A, n of total set. So, from the total elements in A, we have to exclude the elements which are common to A and B and the elements which are common to A and C. Similarly, only A, this is. So, we can take only A and only B. Similarly, n of B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection B, and only C, n of C minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C. Now, we required the elements which are belonging to only A, only B and only C, means these elements plus these elements plus these elements is equal to adding all these values. Then this is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C, n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus here n of A intersection B, here also n of A intersection B, minus 2 into number of elements in A intersection B. Similarly, minus 2 into A intersection C also 2 times. So, minus 2 into number of elements in A intersection C, minus 2 into number of elements in B intersection C, B intersection C. But when we exclude these values from A intersection B, this value is already excluded. But here this common region A intersection B intersection C is also region for A intersection B and is also region for A intersection C and it is also region for A B intersection C. So, we can add 3 into number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. So, therefore, only the elements of A and only the elements of B and only the elements of C, exactly elements in A, B, C is equal to this is. Now, what is the number of elements in exactly 2 of the sets? We require to consider number of elements exactly in 2 sets. In 2 sets is equal to number of elements common to A intersection B plus number of elements common to B intersection C plus number of elements common to A intersection C minus 3 into number of elements common to A intersection B intersection C. So, this gives the number of elements exactly in 2 of the sets A, B, C, means either belonging to only A or B or B or C, or C and A. So, actually in this case why we add n of A intersection B intersection C? Because here only in A, from the set A we exclude this region, minus we need to exclude only this common region, but so this region is nothing but n of A intersection C minus this region, common region. So, therefore, here this common region is excluded 2 times. So, to overcome that we can add one more time. So, n of A intersection B intersection C. So, every time we can add this. So, therefore, here we will get 3 into n of A intersection B intersection C.